Hi, this is Izzy.
And MJ.
And this is Endless RVing. We want to take a moment and thank you guys for checking us out on our YouTube channel. We quickly fell in love with the RV lifestyle, and we spend as much of our free time possible traveling around the country in our Class A motorhome.
So our family consists of us, our 13-year-old son Jason, our 7-year-old rescue pit bull Sierra, and our 3-year-old rescue American Bulldog pit mix Bowser. And they enjoy camping and RVing just as much as we do. And we love traveling and RVing, and are actually really counting down the days until we can go full time, which is in about 6 years from now.
Some of the places we travel, some of our favorite places have been obviously Disney, Fort Wilderness. We've been to Savannah, Georgia, also areas in the Midwest, and we are consistently traveling in the Northeast around the tri-state area. There's some really nice places we've enjoyed.
So we decided that it would be fun to start documenting everything we do and documenting our trips and our DIYs. We do a lot of those, and all different tips and tricks that we've really found helpful, and sharing it with fellow RV lovers. And we launched our channel on June 29th of 2019, and we're growing very quickly, and we're really looking forward to expanding and meeting more fellow RVers out there.
So we want to thank you for checking us out on our YouTube channel. You could also check us out on our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Endless RVing. So for myself and MJ, Jason, Sierra, and Bowser, we thank you guys. We hope to see you on the road.